Well, hi guys, welcome to the channel. I received something from Banggood yesterday. Today we're gonna unbox and review and test the AirAux UM4. What's that again? AirAux AA-UM4x. There you go. So let's see what comes in the box. Nicely packed. So we got the manual, specs, instructions. In comparison to my Skull Candy Indie, this is such a small package, pretty compact. Then we got a USB Type-C. So it says touch, so it's touch control. Pretty standard. Nothing in there. Opening it. Even with my gloves on, it's quite easy to open, but it snaps tight and nice too. So yeah, we got here the charging ports. It's magnetic, so when you snap it in there, it snugs in nice. For the earbuds, you got here the LED indicator and the microphone. There's one hole there for the microphone. It's not like those others with the rubber ear thing. I like this one. I like this kind of earphone. Right, so when you open the case, they will start to pair with each other first. That's what the manual says. Then let's get our phone here. Turning on Bluetooth. There we go. Pairing. Yep. So it's the blinking stopped.
As you can see, this is a very big book. Providence. Over 700 pages. So you should ask me, don't you know people don't read 700-page books? Yes, I do know that. And so you should ask next, so why did you write a 700-page book? And here are two answers.
Alright, so final thoughts on this. Let's have a look at the good things first. For its price, it's pretty decent. Sound quality is not that bad. Pretty functional. I like this kind of earphones, as I said. Doesn't have that rubber thing that isolates all the outside noise. Wise, it's okay. The plastics are nice, the build is nice, not flimsy or anything like that. The size is also good. It easily fits pockets. Then another good thing is Type-C charging. Yep, it's Type-C. Also the touch controls are pretty functional and responsive. A bit of delay, but works. Yep, so for the not so very good things about it, number one, we got the battery life. It won't last you very long. And on the specs, it says around 2 hours. Maybe 1 or 2 times I had connectivity issues where one earbud was not in sync with the other. And yep, I'm not sure if it was because of my device or because of the unit itself. It's not very nice for gaming because it lags, right? Then lastly, it's not for audiophiles. If you're someone who is very particular with sound quality, then this is not for you, okay? So yeah, that wraps up our review. If you guys plan to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description below. It won't charge you anything extra, but it will surely help if you will buy using our links to keep this channel up and running. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next review.